Hey there, this is Tom Pisello, the ROI Guy, and I'm here today to talk to you about customer intelligence. That's the data that's collected from value marketing and sales tools that can really be leveraged to do some incredible things within the tools themselves and also back office, as well as the ability to create some incredible customer-facing assets using this customer intelligence. So let me tell you a little bit about it. First, what type of data do the value marketing and sales tools collect? Well, if you've got an ROI calculator, an assessment tool, a TCO calculator, it's collecting from every customer engagement just some incredible data, like profile data of every company, the industry, the location, the size, and it does that automatically. Next, it's collecting data about the opportunity itself. So what legacy solutions are in place? How much are they spending on those legacy solutions? How many resources are dedicated to managing that solution? And overall, what challenges are they faced with? So challenge profile is also very important. And then when it comes to value, and the tool is a value-oriented tool, you're going to get insights into what value drivers are the most important and what business value do they expect to be delivered, as well as the cost to do nothing. So cost to do nothing and value of change are captured. And then all the ROI and TCO comparison results, they're also collected too. So all of this customer intelligence is stored within an Alinean database that then can be mined. Now, how is it mined? Well, first of all, we mine it to create dynamic benchmarks back in the tool. So as you run an Alinean tool, usually you'll see benchmarks comparing challenges of the customer that's being analyzed compared to others in their industry, location, and size. Sometimes we have benchmarks for key performance indicators as well. And this data is ultimately comparison data, peer comparison data, that can be used in subsequent analysis. So over time, the tool is collecting hundreds of analysis results each month. Those are leveraged back in the tool, so there's hundreds of new insights each month that prospects and customers are going to get informed about because the tool is dynamically collecting all of this and then reusing it back out, republishing it back out for subsequent analyses. Now, back office, how can this customer intelligence be used? Well, there's data mining reports that can be run via the admin console. And with those data mining reports, you can pick the date range of when you'd like the data to be shown. So you can do the past quarter, the past 6 months, the past year of data. And then the other key element is that you can select which data points you want to look at. So looking at the data points, looking at over time, how they're changing, you can now export that into a CSV file, into Excel, and use an analytical tool to start analyzing all of the key customer intelligence that's collected. How can this be used? Well, we've got certain customers that are using this to great effect. Some, every quarter, every 6 months, every year, are publishing research based on the insights that the tool is collecting. So this becomes new go-to-market pieces, new market intelligence that can be used as content to fuel subsequent engagements and communicate those insights. And second, it can be used to inform strategy, knowing which challenges, which value, which legacy solutions are in place, what total cost of ownership advantages customers are seeing. All of this can really help to drive solution improvements and to make your solutions better and better with informed, detailed insights from the ROI, the TCO analysis, the assessment over time. So the customer intelligence is really a treasure trove of content collected from every engagement and leverageable dynamically in subsequent analyses, and then back office for your team to leverage for research insights, as well as overall for solution and strategy improvements.